Alright, so what's happening in Africa right now
Wait,
is,
wait. Why are you the one explaining what's going on?
I mean, I know a lot about this stuff.
Okay, go ahead.
So there's pretty much a group of Africans in Ghana that is trying to take a bunch of e-waste and like burning it for parts so they can sell it on the black market.
That's not true.
Which part?
All of it. The tech sector in Accra takes imported e-waste and refurbishes it to distribute to other Ghanaians. This method of recycling has allowed Accra and its surrounding area to drastically develop technologically. Ghana began to generate hundreds of TV stations alongside usable TVs for people to watch them.
So they're not actually burning e-waste?
People will always illegally ban e-waste all over the world. And although it does happen in certain places in Ghana, that's not what's being disputed since it's already accepted and established as the legal activity. The problem is that refurbishing and redistributing e-waste is also being made illegal.
But why?
What kind of phone do you have?
Samsung Galaxy S10.
What would you do if the camera stopped working?
I'd probably send it to Samsung to get it fixed.
Exactly. That's how big corporations want people to think. So, when they see that another country has saved themselves from spending hundreds of dollars on minor fixes, they want to change the way things are.
Holy sh**.
Yeah, man. It's real bad.
Surely there's a way to help.
This is where the real bullshit starts. You'd expect organizations like nonprofits to make an effort to help out, but Western NGOs are also working to shut down this recycling operation, labeling Ghanaian technology repairmen as primitive, stating that Agbogbloshie is a slum because of a leak in their so-called circular economy, and claiming that real recycling companies are being robbed by a bunch of African recycling bandits.
I didn't know any of that, man. I feel like I've just assumed the headlines I've read were accurate.
It's important to remember that the ones who can speak to the situations are the ones living in it, not the ones trying to deteriorate Ghana's tech sector to make a buck.